Hello Standard 8, your Arun sir, and going to teach biology, chapter 16, diseases, cause and control, and it is part 5. Dear children, in the previous video, we discussed about the disease, different types of diseases, classification on the basis and classification on the basis we discussed, and we discussed in detail about the bacterial disease. We discussed in detail about the disease caused by protozoa. Today we are going to discuss about the disease caused by worms. Okay, diseases caused by worms. Listen, in our school, sometime the tablet albendazole is given. For what purpose? For deworming, so that these worms are killed. Okay, and children are the sufferer. Maximum children are the sufferer of these diseases caused by the worms. So here, which disease we will discuss? We will discuss 3 diseases. Disease caused by worm, we will discuss 3 diseases. First one is the ascariasis. Ascariasis. First disease which we will discuss, and that is the ascariasis. Second disease we will discuss, and that is taniasis. And third we will discuss, and that is elephantiasis. Now, what I may do, I will write these 3 names and one more disease, the name of one more disease, and I may ask to find the odd one out and write the category to which others belong. What you will do? You will find that whatever is added in this as odd one, and these are category to which others belong. These diseases are caused by the worms. Very clear or not? So let us start our discussion with the disease ascariasis. Okay. So dear children, first disease which we are going to discuss caused by the worm is the ascariasis. Okay, ascariasis. Now, it is caused by common roundworm. Common roundworm. There may be a question, name the following. A disease caused by common roundworm. What will be the answer? The answer will be ascariasis. And if we will see roundworm, male and female both are there. Male is slightly shorter. Okay. And one more thing, in male, curved hind end. Last end is curved, and it is about 12 centimeter. Okay, it is about 12 centimeter. And female is longer comparing to male, and it is about 18 centimeter. Dear children, you may be asked to identify if the curved end is slightly like this, then it is male, and it is longer and no curved end is like this, then it is female, and this is male. Shorter and the last part is curved. Very clear or not? And the disease caused, and that disease is ascariasis. Okay, common roundworm. Now how these worms come in our body, in children's body? it is present in the faces, intestine of the children who is the sufferer, and their faces contains this SK common roundworm, and their faces, if here and there in the ground children are playing, and children may come in contact with the eggs laid by this, the egg may be there in the faces of the patient, and unwashed, not properly washed hands, eating raw vegetable they are eating. In that case, it may reach our intestine and we may suffer from the disease ascariasis. Very clear or not? So, this part is clear. Next disease which we have to discuss, and that disease is the taniasis. Taniasis. Now, this disease is also caused by worm, and the name of that worm, it is tapeworm. Tapeworm. And ascariasis is caused by roundworm, and taniasis, see, T. Taniasis, tapeworm. Starting with T. Taniasis, tapeworm. So, taniasis is caused due to tapeworm, and the name of the tapeworm is Taenia solium. Taenia, Taenia solium. Taenia. Taenia solium. Very clear. The causal organism of ascariasis is the tapeworm, and the name of that tapeworm is Taenia solium. Now, how it comes in our body? By infected pork and beef. Pork means pig's meat, beef means cow's meat. Okay, by infected pork and beef, it comes in our body. In our intestine, it may become 1 meter long, and whatever we will eat will be eaten by these worms. Digested foods are eaten by these worms. As a result, the children become very lean and thin, very weak. Okay, so that medicine, which medicine? Albendazole is given to deworm this Taenia solium. Next disease caused by the worm, which we have to discuss, and that is the filariasis. Common term, filaria. Filariasis. And it is also called as elephantiasis. Now, dear children, we have discussed that ascariasis is caused by common roundworm, taniasis is caused by tapeworm, and filariasis is caused by Wuchereria bancrofti. Caused by Wuchereria bancrofti. See the spelling. Bancrofti. Wuchereria bancrofti. Okay. And this elephantiasis or filariasis is caused by Wuchereria bancrofti, and it is a tropical disease. Tropical means people living in the tropical region. Tropical disease between the Tropic of Capricorn and Cancer. The area which is between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn is called as tropical area, and this disease is common in those places. So it is a tropical disease, And it is from where this Vaucheria bancrofti comes in our body? Through the bite of a mosquito. Bite of mosquito. Which mosquito? Female Anopheles? No. Female Anopheles causes malaria. Plasmodium is present in female Anopheles. Then this bite of mosquito, and the name of the mosquito is Culex, not female Anopheles. The name of the mosquito is Culex. Now, where it goes, this Vaucheria bancrofti in our body is lie in the lymphatic system. Lymph you have understood. Blood and lymph must be knowing. In lymphatic system, mainly in the limbs, means hand and legs. And legs become swollen like leg of elephant. So this disease is called as elephantiasis. Like leg of elephant, one leg will become like the leg of an elephant. So this disease is called as elephantiasis. And why the legs swell or the limbs swell like this? Very important question. Give reason. Why the legs swell or the limbs swell in the case of elephantiasis or filariasis? The reason is swelling is due to blockage of lymph circulation. Blood and lymph both are circulating in our body, and lymph circulation is blocked. Blocked by what? Blocked by this worm, Vaucheria bancrofti. The circulation of lymph is blocked. As a result, the lymph part swells. Okay, inflammation of limbs and lymph vessel, fever with chill, jada bukhar. Those who are suffering from filariasis may have chill fever, fever with chill. What are the method? What are the treatment? First thing, eradication of the vector. The vector is the Culex mosquito. So first thing, eradication of the Culex mosquito. Second, antibiotics and anti-inflammatory analgesic tablets may be taken. So first thing is the eradication of the vector so that Culex mosquito may not bite us. And second, if a person is suffering, then antibiotics, medicine, antibiotics and or anti-inflammatory analgesic, anti-inflammatory analgesic tablets can be taken. So this part is clear. So dear children, today we discussed about the diseases caused by the worms, and 3 diseases we discussed. Number one was ascariasis, which is caused by common roundworm. Second, taniasis, caused by tapeworm. And third, filariasis or elephantiasis, and caused by Vaucheria bancrofti, and the vector is Culex mosquito. So dear children, today up to this much. In the next video, we will discuss about the viral disease. So learn it properly, and in the next video, we will discuss the next part. Thank you.